Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech It Simple. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add long bios to your profile on Instagram. If this sounds helpful to you, watch this video till the end. And also don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notifications so you don't miss informative videos such like this. In order to be able to add long bios to your Instagram account, you'll need to convert it to a professional account. To do so, go to your profile, then on the top right corner of the screen, click on the three lines, then click on settings. After doing that, you can click on account. From here, you will see an option called switch to professional account. I have already switched mine to a professional account. After switching your account to a professional account, go to your profile, then click on edit profile. Now on the bio, as you can see, I am now able to add long bios to my Instagram profile. That's how easily you can add long bios to your Instagram profile. If this video was helpful to you, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. We will be soon back with similar videos like this. Thank you for watching.